Ooh! Woo! It's Orbeez. Oh, let's open. Amazing. Oh my. Hello guys, welcome to my magic show. It will be for you very magic. Today I prepare for you so much drinks. Sprite, Pepsi, Easy Peasy, Monster, Mountain Dew, Chupa Chups, so much. And also today will be Orbeez. Look at this, it's a red Orbeez. So cool. Boom. And also today we will do very amazing experiments with soda and Mentos. Let's do this! Give me Pepsi! I want Pepsi! I really like Pepsi! And where is Pepsi? Yes, it's Pepsi! Very big Pepsi! Ooh! Let's open! Ouch! We'll put this one like this one. Yes. And now I will take soda. Let's open soda. Oh. Yes. Yes. Very cool soda. And let's try. Ooh. Woo! It was very cool! It's amazing! Take this one. Where's Pepsi? There's not Pepsi. Where's Pepsi? I don't see Pepsi. Yes. The next drink it will be V-Nut. Maybe V-Nut, I don't know. But we will try. Let's open. Oh. It's very cool and tasty. Let's try with Mentos. Like this one. No, nothing. Also, I have orange Orbeez. It's Orbeez. Oh, it's very cool. It's very relaxing. It's Fanta. Ouch. Let's open. Oh my. Maybe we will try with soda. Let's try with soda. Very small reaction. It's not interesting. Give me another drinks. I want another drinks. Oh, what's it? It's a bitter drink. Let's open. Oh, yeah. Amazing. Let's try. Oh, it's also tasty. It's also good. Maybe also we will try with soda. I will take soda. Here's the soda. And try. Ooh. It was very cool reaction. For you, it was bitter. It's international cola. It's a cola from Russia. Let's open. Same. It's the same color. It's a new drink. The name is Fruit Style. Oh. Oh my. And now will be a very big experiment. I took 4 Mentos and soda. Let's add everything. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah, boy. It was very interesting and cool reaction. Thank you for video, guys. Yes. Let's open. Like this one. Oh my. Let's open. Hello guys, welcome to my show. Today I prepare for you so much drinks, Orbeez, and also a very cool foods like this one. And today I prepare for you Mountain Dew, Chupa Chups, also original Coca-Cola, original Sprite. It's an international cola, international, very interesting cola. Also funky monkey orange drinks and another drinks. And also I prepare for you some foods, some very tasty foods. It's a Krusty, it's a Chit Chat, and also Minions, mini Chupa Chups. And let's start. And now I want to show for you the experiments with soda. I will add soda to Coca-Cola and to Sprite. Let's open and start. First one to the Sprite. Oh, yes. The second one will be Coca-Cola. Yes. Ooh. It's cool. Let's start our experiment. I will take a new soda. It's a soda, and we will open. Open. Oh. Yes, I open it. And let's try. It will be very interesting and amazing video. Please subscribe and like me. Let's try. Ooh, it's very cool. Give me Chupa Chups. I want Chupa Chups. Yes, it's Chups. It's pink Chupa Chups. Ouch. International color. Let's open. Oh, it's cool. Yes, so. And now I want to do a new experiment with Mentos. I will take a Mountain Dew and a lot of Mentos. Open, so I can open. Yes, like this one. Oh my. Mountain Dew is very tasty. This one. Oh, yes, yes, yes. It was cool reaction, but small reaction. Yeah. Yes, cool. The next one will be Funky Monkey. Maybe it's like like Fanta, but not same. Oh my. Let's also take Orbeez, and yes, Orbeez. And also we can add Mentos and over, hop, yeah, woo! Yeah, it was funky monkey. The next one is the whole steam. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, so it's TikTok. Ooh. Let's open. Yeah, so much. Very beautiful. Let's go. And the last one, I will open Chupa Chups. Let's open. Yes. Boom. Thank you for watching video, guys. It was very cool and interesting. I very like you. And also, if you like me, you can subscribe and like me. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.